Hello, ladies and gents. I had a special request a while back. It's been a good while back. And as you ladies know, I do have some gentlemen who watch me. They may not watch my clothing hauls and stuff like that, but they love my laundry detergent reviews. And the special request was that I would get some Tide. I guess this brother was tired of me with the cheap detergents and stuff all the time. So his name is Andrew. I think it's Becerra or Becerra. I don't want to mess your name up, Andrew. And you said something about a challenge with Tide. And I was saying to myself, I'm going to have to wait on that for a little while because Tide is expensive, and I got a good variety here for you. I also want to shout out my laundry detergent loving brother, JK18. JK18 has a wonderful channel, and he loves laundry detergent. He showed one video. I never seen so much laundry detergent in my life. I wish I could get there with you. My daughter and everybody think I'm hoarding detergent, which I am, because along with all this Tide, I got a lot of detergent over there on the floor and stuff. It's just, I like soaps. I don't know what it is. And I also have another male viewer, Andrew Addison, and he was asking me questions, not about Tide, but another detergent. Shout out to you, Andrew Addison. So let me start. I brought all these Tides for you, Andrew Becerra. And some of these are not even made in this country. Now, as you know, a lot of my videos, you will see those Tides from the other countries. The reason why I buy them is because they are so much cheaper than what we have here. And they perform sometimes better. You may not have the same exact fragrance, but the performance is top shelf. So I'm going to start with one. Oh, I also have to add, Andrew Becerra, you wanted me to do a test between the two Tides. I can't do that right now, but it's going to be like a series off and on with the comparisons between the two different Tides. And I will show you how it performs on fabric. So that will be coming soon. I don't know when, but it's coming soon. You know that a lot of places have this Tide locked up like it's gold. Guess the people stealing and selling it on the black market or something. But I buy Tide ever so often. I'm not a Tide snob. You all see I use all kinds of detergents. But one thing I have to say, Tide is really good. It is a great detergent. So let me start with my first one. This is the Tide. I don't even know the fragrance it is because this Tide is from another country. And as you can see, this is a nice size bottle. They had this Tide 3 for $10. This stuff here will get your clothes so clean. I can't even see the countries it's from. This Tide is in a different language. I cannot read it. But I brought me some and I brought my daughter some. You cannot go wrong with 3 Tides for $10. And it had a completely different smell than the usual Tides that I buy. It smells nothing like the American Tide. And let me see how I can describe this. It smells kind of industrial strength to me, like it's concentrated. It puts you in the mind a little bit of Downy. So what I want to say is, if you see this one, anywhere at your dollar stores, anywhere locally, pick it up. It's good. You don't need to use a lot of it or anything, and it has a nice smell to it. I have your regular original Tide. I love to buy this original Tide. It has a great smell, the cleaning power, and everything that you need in your detergent. I'm noticing a lot of boosters and different things now with Tide, and many years ago we didn't have to add all that stuff. You just had your Tide, that's all you needed. But it is great. It is a great detergent. A lot of you know how it smells. My next one is this Tide here. Now this is the Tide that's made in China. It's powder. And a lot of times they have the lemon scent, the orange scent, they have a jasmine rose, and I think a lavender, I believe. And the good thing, they have the instructions in Chinese and in English. This works very well, y'all. Some of you, I have even sent some of these in love mail. And guess how much this is? Just 99 cents. This is what I'm saying. We are overpaying for Tide in this country. 99 cents. Sometimes it's $1.49. They have a bigger one like this for $3.99. So there are ways to get Tide without paying an arm and a leg. If you see this, don't be scared to get it, because you only have to use a little bit of this and it really lasts. My next Tide, you will see I opened it, and it's the Tide Pods Free and Gentle. Dermatologist recommended. Now, this Tide cleans okay. But honestly, I'm just going to keep it real. To me, it didn't clean as well as the other ones. And plus, it doesn't have no fragrance. I know it's supposed to be free and gentle. I have so many rashes from detergents. I've seen it before. And this will keep me from breaking out. But I don't think it cleans as well. I really don't. Maybe I have a bad package here, or maybe I don't. The next one I have is the Tide with Bleach Alternative, and this is original. This works very well. It smells good. Your clothes will look clean. But I do prefer, and I haven't seen it in a while, the Tide with Bleach Powder. I think that cleans the best. I think it really makes your white clothes white and make it really, really look good. So you see I got a small one. So guys, when I was growing up, we had a kind of a large family, and my mother would buy Tide sometimes. Most of the time she brought those great big old laundry detergents. Yeah, I'm not gonna be taking that Tide and stuff and pouring it all in the machine, wasting it. And I was one of the kids that was wasting it. I didn't have no sense of that Tide was really expensive. It was even a little more expensive then. So I grew up with Tide, but I grew up with a lot of other detergents because it was a lot of us. So the next Tide I'm showing you is this one that came up. You can see I used it, some of it. But this is the Tide Simply Clean and Fresh. This is a wonderful detergent. As you all know, it's a lot cheaper than the regular Tide. a lot cheaper. And it is really good. But what I have to honestly say, I'm just going to keep it real. The Tide in the red bottle is better. It is. But if you can't get that Tide in the red bottle, then you get this. And I had another one. I had the bigger one. I think I gave it to my daughter a while back. So, because I wanted to show y'all. These come in a lot of different, lot of different fragrances. You can even get one that smells good and won't break you out. So it's still a great detergent. Large one you can get $8.99, $10, so it's a great buy. So my next Tide, you're going to be very surprised. I think I may have shown this before. Matter of fact, I saw it in the store and then I was asking JK about it. JK18. And it's called Ace, Ultra Ace. So when I first went to I got this at one of my dollar stores that I go to. And I was saying, what is that Ace? They have it looking like Tide and everything. I said, is this really Tide? So I didn't ask the guy in the store because I don't know whether he knew or what was going on. The reason why I say that, it's $1.99. Now, you know, a box this size of regular Tide can be $6.99, $7, $8, sometimes more. So when I said at $1.99, I asked JK. He said, "That's Tide." He says Tide from another country. So I decided to get it, and I don't know this fragrance. It says Brisa Limpia. I don't know what that means. I don't know what fragrance that is, but let me tell you something. This thing smells so good. It's really good. So I want you all to know, if you go in the store and you see something saying Ace, get it, because it is Tide. But what I don't want you to do is, since it's from another country, don't pay an arm and a leg for this, because I know this store and some of the other ones are selling it cheaper, and you can't beat this for $1.99. And it has a fresh, I want to say slightly floral smell, if that makes any sense. So it's great. You got 20 ounces here. So my last Tide is the Tide Simply Free and Sensitive. So as you saw before, I had the Tide Free and Gentle. This one is slightly different. And let's see this one. This one is unscented too. And it says no dyes or perfumes. Gets the dirt out. It's a low price. And this one is kind of on the order of this, but it doesn't have a fragrance to it. Like I said before, I liked Tide that's sensitive to my skin, but this one with no fragrance, I'm not really feeling it. I'm going to use it. I'm going to use it all up. Use it for my sheets, pillowcases, and stuff like that. And it does keep me from sneezing and breaking out, but I really don't care about it too much. And it doesn't seem to clean as good as well as the other ones. So, Andrew Becerra of Becerra, thanks for requesting this video. I am going to do a comparison, maybe 2 at a time. So this is going to take a while because I have a lot of detergents here. And in the end, I may even go up with Tide against some other brands, some other well-known brands and some other cheaper brands, to see, are we really getting what we're paying for? And to you, JK18 brother, Can you share some of that detergent you got stashed up in there? Huh? Huh? You should see my stash, but it's nowhere as big as yours. But it's good. It's good to have a lot of detergent on hand, you know, for emergencies and stuff. So I'm not making fun. It's really a good thing. So I hope you liked this video, and I will be coming back with some more. I love you all. And to my ladies, I haven't forgotten about y'all. I know y'all like Tide too, but wanted to give the guys a little video for them this time. So I love you all.